Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have access to settings. This saves time. Open settings and go straight to time and language or general management because keyboard options live there. Once there, tap language or input and then keyboard settings. This is the entry point. Make sure to pause if the device asks for a passcode, enter it. You're now positioned to add a language. Next, choose Add a Language or Manage Keyboards to begin the selection process. You'll now pick the language and keyboard layout. Search the list or scroll to the exact language and dialect you need. Selecting the correct dialect sets punctuation and special characters. Once chosen, enable the specific keyboard layout, QWERTY, AZERTY, or others, because layout affects typing. If the system offers a language pack for spell check or voice typing, download it. This improves predictions and autocorrect. After configuring, confirm you finish by activating and testing the new keyboard. Switch to it using the globe icon, status bar language selector, or shortcuts like Control plus space. Then open Notes and type to confirm characters and autocorrect. If accents or special keys are wrong, return to keyboard settings and adjust layout or input options. If the language doesn't appear, restart the device, toggle the language pack off and on, or reinstall it. This simple restart often resolves lingering installation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.